Hello, today in front of me I have TCL TAB Max, and in this video we would like to show how you can set Opera as the default browser on this device. So first of all, you want to open up the settings. In here, look for the apps category that looks just like so. Open it, go for the default app section, browser app, and in here simply tap on Opera, therefore, as you can see right here, selecting it as the default app for browsing. There is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application, so let's go ahead and open it. Here at the top left corner, if you are in landscape mode, tap on your avatar picture. If you are in portrait mode, just the same avatar will be located at the bottom right corner, after which you want to tap on the gear icon that stands for settings, scroll page down for a little bit until you stumble upon the default browser section, click on next, select Opera and choose to set it as default, and that will also effectively mean that you have successfully made Opera the default app for browsing on this device already. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.